Hi, this is Robert Estrin here at livingpianos.com presenting a really spectacular Steinway Model B. The Model B at just under 7 feet is Steinway's most popular model, and what makes this one so special is not only that it's in impeccable condition, but it's got a beautiful white finish, which is pretty rare. A new one costs $125,000, and we were lucky to get this one in mint condition. Our technicians went through and did high-level voicing, regulation, string termination, and fine-tuning, and it plays like a dream. Action weight is spot on. There's so little wear, it's like playing a new piano. And I'm going to sail right into some music for you, starting with some Mozart, his F major Sonata K332. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the recapitulation, so it ends nicely in F major, just like it starts. Hope you enjoy this Mozart. So the action plays beautifully, the sound is rich and warm, and let's hear a completely different style of music. And this is just a gorgeous, it's one of my favorite pieces. I use this as an encore piece oftentimes after a program that closes heroically to bring some poetry with this little piece of Debussy, The Little Shepherd from his Children's Corner Suite, is such a nice change of mood, as you'll hear right now. It's so nice to let those tones linger. The beautiful sustain this piano has, and the treble, and the richness all around. There's no weak sections at all. And you know what's interesting? If you've ever had the opportunity to go to the Steinway showroom and try out 2 or 3 of the same exact model, brand new Steinways, each one has an individual character. And when you find a gem, it's such a pleasure. Now, of course, everybody has different tastes, but this piano is very well balanced. And I'm going to show you the other side now, from poetry to heroicism. This is just a little brief excerpt of the G minor Ballade, a middle section, so you can hear, and I take actually the low A octave. It's not written in the lowest A octave of the piano, but I take it so you can hear the roar of the bass, that Steinway growl that they're famous for down there. And you'll see how, playing with tremendous energy, I'm going to start it off without as much energy and then really let loose so you can hear how it opens up. So this piano can take anything you can throw at it, from the most delicate pianissimos, crafting a line that sings, to crashing fortissimos that are like different sections of an orchestra opening up with different colors. An all-around great Steinway, impeccable action, and gorgeous piece of furniture. Thanks so much for joining me. Robert Estrin here at livingpianos.com, your online piano store.